Hello, I am so excited because Serenity Now Float Spa, your favorite spa in O'Fallon, has their pre-Black Friday gift cards. And if you have been following us for a really long time, you know we always have amazing Black Friday deals. But this month we have an extra special through Black Friday even, so you can save even more. And this year it's buy one get one. So you can gift one and you can keep one. It's so fun. Or, you can gift extra. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through using this right online. So I got my email here to notify me that we have our gift card sale. And I'm going to scroll down. So here's what you can get. When you get a $75 gift card, you can also get a $25 gift card, and so basically 100 for 75. Isn't that cool? I love it. And so on and so forth. All right. So I will give you an example of one of these. If you didn't get this email, you definitely want us to have your email. You can pop it in the comments or let me know and we will make sure to forward this to you. But all the way at the bottom of my email, purchase gift cards here. It's going to link right up to where you can buy your own gift card. Headed out to the booking site on Serenity Now. It comes right to gift cards. And what you're going to want to do is select the generic gift card. So, of course, if it were me, I don't know, why not? Why wouldn't I get 150 and then get myself a $40 gift card? We'll use that as our example. So the gift card is in, and let's say, oh, hope mom isn't watching. You can fill out your gift card here. All right. And next step is to add another gift card. Now, what it will do, it's already got this one here for mom. I'm going to do change this little blue, and my freebie gift card, since I did 150, is going to be a free 45. Now, this will change with the dates. So if you're watching this and this isn't the special now, you're still getting a great deal. But those of you that are watching before the 22nd of November can get this amazing deal. So now I've got in my cart the 150 that I'm paying for and the freebie 45. All mine. Haha, from me. Yay for Serenity Now. Okay, and now I'm going to go to checkout. And don't worry, I'll show you how it works. Okay, so now we're going to review and purchase. So since this is pre-Black Friday, I am doing my pre-Black Friday code. And continue. And there we, oh, I forgot to click apply. There it is. See my discount. There's the $45. That's how you're going to do it. And then you can proceed to your payment type and either print out your gift cards, or if you don't want to order them online, you can give us a call and we can email you, or you can drop by the spa and we will print one out for you right there. Sound good? Thanks for being loyal customers. Hope you enjoy this fantastic BOGO gift card sale. Thanks.